Max Money Tribe, what's going on? It's your boy Alvin, and today I got two short squeeze plays that we added or we're going more in depth with. I also want to look over the market because it was that kind of day that I've been preaching about. It was red all over, and you know what that means. It was time to eat. So let's get into the plays, man. As you can see, I'm currently down about 200 bucks. It's been fluctuating, and I'm guaranteeing that by 8 o'clock, I'm going to be down probably 150. Like it's going to shoot up because of what I did today. So let's get into it. I ate off the market and I was working today, people. 30 minutes left, back against the wall, time ticking down. Bam, saw an opportunity. Plays that I wanted all week long. I finally saw a nice pullback in those, added to the SPY because it dipped down. I'm looking forward to get back around 354 by Friday. 454, sorry. So I got 6 options on that. And guess what? Already up about 20 bucks. It was that easy. I could have sold those, made 20 bucks, day trade locked in. 16%. I don't care how you look at that. 16% is 16%. It's great. I'm going to try to make those even bigger and sell those for even bigger profit. Now, on top of that, I added to some positions that I've really been looking at. So as you can see, I got a VIH call. The Pinterest calls, I doubled down on those or averaged down on those, sorry. So I'm down about 40. I think I got it for 64. So I'm happy with that. Expirations, as you can see, September 17th. So I'm going out far enough. But I got positions that I've been waiting on. NEO. I wanted to buy NEO so bad yesterday with the news of the new SUV being worked on, coming out. That's where it shot up here. And I didn't. I did not make any moves on that. I waited. And I still got a great deal. $38.29. That would probably be right about here. Far off. $2.33 down at that time. It's even further down. But I like where NEO's headed, man. It's right in that buy zone for me. Anything under $40, buy zone. I also want to talk about like Mara. It's shooting up right now, so I'm making my money back on that. But that's really the only play that's keeping me down because even bit mining found its way up and is getting back to where I had actually purchased that. I didn't even want to average down on that no more. I got 100 shares of that, but I had to grab about $2,000 worth of NEO, man. Let me know if you got any of these stocks. If you NEO head, let me know in the comments below. If you riding with any of these calls, let me know down in the comments, guys. I wanna, and I gotta talk about it. BBIG. It's not the play I'm talking about for the short squeeze, but it's a play that I have preached about, made thousands of dollars on, and now I'm back again to let you guys know. You should have got paid today from this. I preached about it just last night. It jumped up today to it was up to about almost 25%, 23%. $2.25. It had an all-time high today of $12.49, 52-week high today of $12.49. It was crazy. The volume was 317 million. Average is usually 138 million. So Venco Ventures, BBIG, proxy came out or was released, the news on that, and it shot straight up. So people took profits. So that's where we at right now. Little profit taken, but it's still a great play and still could go crazy. So just if you got something, I'm not your financial advisor. If you got a call, got one of them at least, let it ride, man. Let it ride. If you see profit that you like, that's when you take it, always. AMC real quick. I just want to talk about it. It went crazy first thing this morning. Now, shout out to my boy, Keenan Grace. Love that man. He talks about AMC all the time, but I always preach about it being close to 50 is a sell. Around 40 is a buy for me. And today it jumped straight up to 49.40 at that spikes. Those spikes you see, 49.40, and it sold off. So I really, really like it. Getting closer down here becomes a buy zone. Anything under 45, closer to 40 is a buy. But I thought it was going to break that 50 and start going crazy today. As well as support.com. Just last night as well, my last video, I preached about SPRT holding close to that $20 mark, looking for some type of direction. It was a little bit confused, and it showed us not to be slept on today. It's pulling back strong, headed back up. $24.01 for the day, up 23%, almost 24%. That's crazy. That was a bag to be made right there. That's where you eat off of these red markets, guys. Now I want to talk about the two next coming short squeezes. The two plays that can go crazy like SPRT, go crazy like AMC. I'm going to explain them to you. First one, you definitely heard of it. VIH, VPC Impact. It's being talked about in the chat groups. All the rooms, it's being talked about. VIH, VPC Impact. And guys, it was 1 million over its normal volume. 1 million is a big number. So it was at 4 million. The average is 3 million. But it had chances where it spiked up here today. It was trying to go green. 1098. Today's high was 1099. So it has room to run. Now, if you go a year out or a couple months out, it's been running up. It's been getting up there. So I want to focus on this right here. The 52-week high is 2256. That's double where it's at currently right now. Now, that's one that I'm talking about. VIH. Make sure you add it to your list. The last one on the list is KATAPULT. Ticker symbol KPLT. First thing that should pop out or jump out to you is the volume. It's 10 million. It's being held down right now. Average volume is about 31 million. So right now it's currently down for the day. But it's all right. It's down for the day. But KATAPULT, man, as soon as you start sleeping on it, it will wake up. Now, the 52-week high on this is 1965. 52-week high. Up here, 1965. And that seems like it was a long time ago, right? No, it was in February of this year. $19. And it's making a good recovery. $6.10. It's down about 6% for the day. But keep your eye on it. Add it to one of your lists, guys. It has that same potential, just like SPRT, just like AMC. So overall, what I want to say is when you see the market red like this, look for those plays that you've been waiting to get in. I really wanted to buy some MP materials. I talked about it in my previous videos. I feel like it's a buy closer to that $30 mark, and it's a sell around that $39 mark. So I really, really like it. So I got me a call on that. I also got me some CHPT calls because that's the future, baby. CHPT just had crazy good earnings, as well as I think Pinterest is due for a little rally here. If not, I'm jumping out. It's just a little bit of change in the game. That's under $100 right there. So it's fine. You got to risk it to get the rewards, guys. So tomorrow, I'm hoping for a really, really good green day. I'm going to be dropping a video before the market opens so we can really talk about this again and get it out there. But guys, I appreciate you. And hopefully you ate off of this market today. There was a lot of potential. There still is. When they're down like this, you can ride them up. That's why I got these SPY calls before I go. I got 6 SPY calls expiring this Friday. Very, very close. They are already up $18. I could have sold that again for 16%. 16% is 16%. So I'm hoping this market finishes strong this week after we had this beautiful red day that was much needed. That was great, guys. I'll see you tomorrow, Max Money Tribe. Y'all have a great night.